Are you struggling to make your content truly impactful in today's saturated digital world? AI content optimization might just be the game changer you need. In this video, we'll dive into how AI can revolutionize your content strategy and ensure you're reaching your target audience effectively. Stay tuned, because this could be the solution to many of your content challenges. Creating content is no longer just about writing or producing videos. The real challenge lies in making that content visible, relevant, and engaging for your audience. With millions of blogs, videos, and social media posts being published every day, it's easy for your work to get lost in the noise. Traditional methods of optimizing content can be time-consuming and often fail to produce the desired results. But with AI content optimization, you can automate and enhance your content creation process like never before. AI content optimization leverages powerful algorithms to analyze your content and tailor it for better performance. It can help identify the right keywords, suggest optimal placements, and even improve the structure and readability of your text. Tools like Jasper, MarketMuse, and Surfer SEO take the guesswork out of content creation by providing actionable insights backed by data. These tools can analyze competitor content, highlight gaps in your work, and recommend improvements to ensure your content ranks higher and resonates with your audience. Let's look at a practical example. Imagine you're writing a blog post about a trending topic. With an AI tool, you can instantly identify the most relevant keywords and phrases that are likely to drive traffic. The AI can suggest subheadings, adjust the tone to fit your audience, and even highlight areas where you can add more value. This isn't just about saving time, it's about creating content that's smarter, more targeted, and more effective. The most exciting moment comes when you see the results. AI allows you to track the performance of your content in real time and adjust your strategy accordingly. If a particular keyword isn't performing as expected, the AI can recommend alternatives or suggest tweaks to improve your ranking. This level of adaptability ensures your content stays relevant and competitive in an ever-changing digital landscape. To summarize, AI content optimization is a must-have tool for any content creator or marketer. It simplifies the optimization process, enhances your results, and allows you to focus on what matters most: creating valuable content for your audience. Don't let your hard work go unnoticed when AI can help you amplify your efforts. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Let us know how you plan to integrate AI into your content strategy. And stay tuned for more insights on leveraging technology to create smarter, better performing content.